Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp backup stuck in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to backup to use your backup in WhatsApp and want to upload anything or want to download your backup in WhatsApp and facing this type of issue that your backup is stuck, as you can see here, now my backup is paused. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, this problem is occur when you have not connected with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and the another reason is your internet connection is too slow. So guys, first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect first, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second reason is maybe this problem is in your network. So guys, simply you need to open your settings, click on general, and guys, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys, you need to reset network settings from here, as you can see. And guys, after doing this your network settings will be reset, and guys, your problem will be fixed. And guys, another reason is VPN and device management. Simply you need to open this, and guys, if any VPN is connected, then you guys, you need to disconnect your VPN, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. As you can see, I am going to open my backup, and guys, now you can see my backup has successfully uploaded. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to uninstall your WhatsApp from here, and guys, you need to reinstall again from App Store, and guys, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.